pops on upshift sometimes. It's a good exhaust. It's just a little too loud and raspy for me. I ordered the Mini Q300, so I'm going to switch to that just because this is too drony and too raspy for me. I'm trying to get more of a refined note. So this is a good exhaust. The quality's really good. It fits really well. Just a little bit too loud for a daily driver, in my opinion. A little bit too raspy. So that's my thoughts. I'll make another video when I get the Q300 on the car to see what I think about that, and I'll go from there. Just wanted to say some final thoughts on the Remark exhaust here for my STi. It's a 21. It's a good exhaust, fits well. The tips look nice. Let me get back here so you can see them. Tips look nice. These are the 4-inch double wall tips. It sounds good. It's raspy and it's very drony. That could probably be said for any non-resonated mufflerless exhaust for an STi. I'm on the stock downpipe. It makes some really good pops. Sounds good at wide open throttle. There's just no way to keep this exhaust quiet when you're just kind of cruising through town or anything like that. It's a good exhaust. Like I said, quality's really good. It's a good price point. It's just a little bit too much for me. A good example of it is the cold starts are insanely loud. I was at a golf course after I played 18 holes and I started the car, and just about everybody there looked at me like I was crazy because the car is so loud. So like I mentioned earlier in my driving video, I'm gonna switch to an NVIDIA Q300. I'm looking for something with just zero drone, and I'm gonna go from there. This exhaust sounds good, so if you want to run it, it's just know it's really, really loud. And that's that. So thanks for watching. Just wanted to add in that I ran the Remark muffler deletes with the stock STi mid pipe, and that sounded really, really good. The volume was very manageable. There was really little to no drone. It still made some of the nice pops, and it was very cost effective, and it fit very well. It took all of 20 minutes to install. So if you're thinking about that, I would definitely run that on a daily driver.